Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the brokerage app and completing verification, because accounts remain limited until identity is confirmed. Fund a small initial deposit to test transfers. Once done, enable two-factor authentication to protect access. You should build a concise watch list of 612 symbols and set clear risk limits per trade. Make sure to read real-time quotes and permission prompts. This prevents accidental orders. Practice one small buy to confirm settlement timing, and app notifications work as expected. You choose your trade and pick an order type that matches intent. A limit order controls price, while a market order ensures execution. Once selected, enter quantity, check estimated fees, and preview the order slip before tapping submit. Use bracket or one cancels other orders to set both profit targets and stop losses at the same time, which reduces emotional decisions during volatility. Make sure to monitor fills and partial fills. If execution is poor, adjust limit prices or cancel and retry with smaller slices. You complete your process by closing positions according to your rules, either manually from the Portfolio tab or via preset exits. Once done, review realized P&L and reconcile with bank statements for deposits, withdrawals, and fees. Export trade history for taxes if needed. If fills fail or app errors occur, restart the app and check network connectivity first. Make sure time synchronization is correct and account limits aren't hit. If the problem persists, contact broker support with screenshots and order ID for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.